So hello everyone, how are you? I hope everyone is just great. So in today's video we are going to see how we are going to install drivers into our PC, and that also for free. So you may think that the steps which I'm going to show, you will not get the genuine drivers and your PC may be harmed by this. So that is not the case. These are 100% genuine drivers and these are absolutely free. So let's get started. So at first what you need to do is you just need to go to your web browser. In my case I'll just go to Mozilla, and after going to Mozilla I'll just type drivers cloud, only drivers cloud, and I'll press enter. And at the very first search option you will see free download of drivers and PC configuration detection. So just click on it. Okay, you need to wait for a bit, and after that see, here is the page. See, this is the page. Here you will get 100% genuine drivers, and that also free of cost. So what it does, actually it installs an software into your computer and it detects what are the drivers that are necessary for your system. At first I will click on install. See, after clicking on install it will download a software. So now let's install it. Double click and open it. So after that just you will see this, and you have to select your language, whatever it is, then click on OK. So it will show agent initialized, and after that just click on detect. So here it will check everything. So after it is done, it will just automatically open your web browser, and after that just slide down. See, it will show all of your your PC's information. It will show everything what your PC consists of, and then go to find the drivers here at the lower end of the page. So after that you will see here manual installation and automatic installation. So for manual installation you just need to do everything, means you have to download this individually, and automatic installation it installs on its own. So I would recommend you to download manually, means so see these are the drivers which are currently missing from my PC, so it suggests me to download this and install. So here you will get all the softwares, means all the drivers, and these are 100% genuine. So let me just show you one example. For example, I'll install this Intel Corporation UHD graphics. So how to do that? I'll just click on this download button type thing. I'll just right click and open on new tab, and after opening, see here are two options: download the driver from the drivers cloud server or from the manufacturer side. Means see, these are absolutely genuine and these are also absolute, means both of them are absolutely genuine. There is no problem in installing either of them, but if you are extra careful, you just download it from the manufacturer's website. Sometimes what it occurs that manufacturer site does not keep these drivers, so in that time you have to download from the drivers cloud server. So just click on either of them. For example, I'll just click on download from drivers cloud server. See, it will give me a compressed file. I'll just start downloading it, and thus it is downloaded. So in this process you can get each and every of your driver, and the best thing to get your driver is just by running the Windows update, and whichever has not come into a computer by the Windows update, you just check it by this method and download it. And these are 100% safe, and these are 100% genuine softwares. So that is it guys. I hope you have liked my video, and if you have found it helpful, please support me by giving a like to my video and subscribing to my channel. That is it. Bye.